inyong puso. Unang-unang ang pag-bear is unforgiveness. Isang matinding kabuotan sa puso ninyo. Ang grudge, resentment, doon na ating mga spirito, kumakapit yan. Later on, yung tao hindi niya makontrol yung kanyang galit. A spirit has attached to that. Another emotion that the devil likes or is attracted to is intense sadness or yung depressed ka palagi. Maraming kabataan madaling ma-depress. Kaya nga, madalis silang makita at may nakarinig na sila ng mga boses para magpakamatay o whatever. So, very deep sadness, if you do not process that, you don't bring it to the Lord, you don't ask for it healing, then pwede kang pamitan. At huli sa lahat, yung very intense fear, marami kang takot sa buhay. Marami kang binising anxieties and worries. Yes, you believe in God, but that is only in your mind. Practically, you don't really believe in this divine providence. Marami kang binising anxieties and worries, nababali sa kakaagad. Sa konting problema ka nagkagad, you are anxious. You do not act like a child of God who believes in a loving Father. So intense negative fears, intense sadness, and intense anger, these are the three emotions that attract evil spirits. So my dear brothers and sisters,